Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake. So let's get started. First we'll make an Oreo crust. So in a large plastic bag add the Oreos. And then press out the excess air and seal the bag. And then crush them using a rolling pin, trying to make them as fine as possible. Then add them into a medium bowl and add in the melted butter and mix them together until they're well combined. And you'll need a springform pan to make this ice cream cake. The way I like to prepare it is to remove the sides. Then add a sheet of parchment paper onto the base. Then add the sides back into place. And then cut off the excess using scissors. Then add the crust into the bottom of the pan and spread it out until it's even. Then use the flat side of a cup to pack the crust into the bottom. Then place it into the freezer for now. You want it to be really cold, otherwise the ice cream will melt instantly once you add it into the pan. Then to make the ice cream base in a medium bowl, add the sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. And whisk them really well together until all the sugar is dissolved. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the peanut butter. Add in 1/3 of a cup of the ice cream base mixture. And whisk them until they're well combined. Add in another 1/3 of a cup of the ice cream base mixture and whisk it until it's well combined. And the reason we do this is because the peanut butter is much thicker than the ice cream base, and if you just add the peanut butter into the ice cream base, then you'll get a lot of lumps. And so we add a little bit of the ice cream base into the peanut butter to thin it out and make it much easier to mix into the ice cream without getting a lot of lumps. So add in another 1/3 of a cup and whisk it until it's well combined. And now you can pour it into the ice cream base and mix it in until it's combined. Then pour the ice cream base into an ice cream machine and let it churn for 30 to 45 minutes until it's frozen. If you don't have an ice cream machine, I have a video on my channel showing how to make ice cream without one, and I'll link to that video in the description box. While the ice cream base is chilling, we'll make a chocolate ganache. So chop up the semi-sweet chocolate, or you can use chocolate chips, and add it into a heat-proof bowl. And pour over the hot heavy cream and let it sit for 2 minutes. And mix them until they're well combined. And once your ice cream is done freezing, add half of it into a medium bowl. And once it's in the bowl, it will melt fast, so work quickly. and pour in about 1/3 of the chocolate ganache. And mix it in gently, trying to keep the swirls intact. And pour it into the chilled pan and spread it out until it's even. And immediately return it to the freezer. Then chop up some peanut butter cups. And don't worry about working fast, because the rest of the ice cream isn't gonna melt fast as long as it's in the bowl of the ice cream machine. Then add about 2/3 of them into the rest of the ice cream and mix them in until they're combined. Then add the rest of the chopped peanut butter cups on top of the first ice cream layer. And add about 1/4 of the chocolate ganache that's left. And finally add the rest of the ice cream on top and spread it out until it's even. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and freeze it for at least 4 hours, or overnight is even better. Then once it's frozen, remove it from the freezer. And we're gonna pour the rest of the chocolate ganache on top, but by now it'll be set firm, so you want to warm it slightly to make it a little more runny. You don't want to heat it until it's really hot. Then just pour it on top, and you want to spread it out quickly because the ice cream will set the ganache fast. Then to release it from the pan, dip it into a large bowl with hot water and just leave it in for a few seconds. And place it onto your serving plate and remove the sides. And then remove the base and the parchment paper from underneath. And then it's ready to serve. And that's how to make a chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.